Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka and I'm your sugar makeup expert for today. In today's video, I will show you 3 different eye makeup looks, and to coordinate with that, I will use 3 different lip shades. Starting with a simple and classy look, moving on to chic look, and third would be glamorous look. So let's get started. To create this eyeliner look, I have used Gloss Boss 24-hour eyeliner in shade 01 Back in Black. It's a perfect liquid eyeliner to create any crisp wing eyeline, and you can also create different graphic eyeliner looks with the help of the felt tip brush given along with this product. This is also a beginner friendly eyeliner. For my lips, I'm using It's A-Pout Time Vivid Lipstick in shade 01 The Big Bang Berry. It's a very creamy and moisturizing lipstick which glides on your lips very easily, but at the same time it also gives you a matte finish. To mattify your lipstick, you can also use a tissue paper and dab it out. So this is my first look. It's very easy, classy and elegant. It will hardly take 5 minutes for you to create this look. Moving on to my second look, I will use a shimmer eyeshadow on my entire eyelid, adding some Kohl on my waterline, and smudging it further, I will also create a liner. And to finish the look, I will use a different lip color on my lips. For my second look, I will be using Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in shade 01 Vogue. I'm using the shade Bronze Gold from the palette on my entire eyelid and taking it higher till my crease line. Next, I'm using Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl on my waterline in shade 04 Blue Suede Shoes. Next, I will be smudging the Kohl that I have applied on my waterline with the applicator that comes along with the palette. I'm using the sponge side to blend the eye pencil. Using the same brush, I'm using medium brown from the palette to smudge the eye pencil. Next, I will be using Arrested for Overstay Waterproof Eyeliner in shade 01 I'll Be Black. Creating a wing on my outer corner, I will be taking the wing liner halfway through my eye. I will be adding 3 dots below the wing of my liner. Now that my eye makeup is done, I will be moving forward with my lip color. I will be using Suede Secret Matte Lip Color in shade 13 Nylon Nude. It's a nude pink shade. It is so light on the lips that you will actually forget that you are wearing it. Moving on to my third look, I will be adding some more glam to my eye makeup and lips. So for this look, I'm using medium brown and deep plum from the palette on the outer corner of my eye to create the smoky effect and to add a little bit of glam effect. I'm adding champagne gold from the palette on the inner corner of my eye. Now for my lips, I'm using Suede Secret Matte Lip Color in shade 16 Silk Sangria. It's a blend of purple and magenta which looks amazing on your lips. So this is my final look. So what do you think about it? So Sugar Cosmetics is running a special giveaway this time. For details, do check in our description box. I hope this video helps you to create different makeup look this time, and for more such videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, that is Sugar Cosmetics channel. Bye guys!